How to create a LinkedIn profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can create a LinkedIn profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Creating a LinkedIn profile is fairly simple, or creating an account. Open the LinkedIn app and then you're gonna see this type of interface. You can choose to directly skip the login process and then just continue with your Google, or you can just tap on agree and join option. Now here you simply want to start creating your profile by simply entering your first name and your last name here. Once you have done that, just make sure to tap the continue option, then add either your email address or your phone. Once you have done that, it will ask you to go ahead and then basically choose a password and your email address, and once done, your LinkedIn profile will get successfully created, or you can also directly continue with your Google account. That's all it takes to create a LinkedIn profile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.